In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Openai API for Python and VS Code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Visual Studio Code, how to find the right OpenAI related tools, and how to install them so you can streamline your Python workflow. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Give it a moment to launch so the interface fully loads. On the left edge of the window, you'll see the activity bar, the slim vertical strip with icons for Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, and more. Look for the square icon that represents extensions. This is your hub for discovering, managing, and updating everything that extends VS Code's capabilities. Click the extensions icon to open the extensions view. You'll notice a search bar at the top. In that search field, type OpenAI. This tells the marketplace to show extensions related to the OpenAI ecosystem, including tools that can assist with working in Python. After a brief moment, you should see a list of results populate beneath the search field. Take a second to scan the options. You're looking for an extension that clearly states it integrates with OpenAI services and supports your Python workflow. A good way to evaluate is to open the extensions details page and check a few basics: the publisher name, the number of downloads, the star rating, the last update date, and the description of features. Many listings also include screenshots and a short getting started guide so you know what to expect once it's installed. This quick review helps ensure you're choosing a reliable tool that matches your needs. When you've identified the extension you want, click the Install button on its card or on the Details page. VS Code will handle the download and setup automatically. You may notice a progress indicator and status messages while it completes. That's normal and usually only takes a few moments on a typical connection. Once installation finishes, the button changes to indicate that the extension is installed, and you may see additional options like Manage or Uninstall. At this point, the extension is part of your editor, ready to assist as you work on Python projects that interact with OpenAI services. Remember, installing the extension equips VS Code with helpful tooling and commands, while your actual Python code and any environment configuration happen within your projects. If you ever need more details, the extensions README in the Details view is a great reference, including notes on features, usage tips, and links to documentation. That's it. You've opened VS Code, navigated to extensions, searched for OpenAI, and installed the tool that supports your Python workflow.